is this? So, what in the world is this thing? Hey guys, so it's Matt the Robot. So, we're here today. What should we do? What should we do? Oh my god, I'm freaking out, man, I am freaking out. Let's see. Should we make a robot? No. Too dangerous, maybe we'll rule the world and kill us. Not a good idea. What about this? School is starting. I know, but this really isn't good. It's not gonna be like that. So we are gonna get out of my room, as you can see, because it's blue. Pretty much laying on my bed. Well, yesterday my sister, she couldn't go on her tennis game because it was raining. Yeah. Well, I missed VidCon. Yay! No. That's not exciting. Oh, like to miss VidCon, man. Oh. So, a few things that I want to say. My favorite YouTubers: Glentis TV, Daily Bumps, let's see, Skylander Boy and Girl, EvanTube, HD, Kitty's Mama. It's a pretty cool show. So, well, I told you guys I'll show you around, and here we are. I told you it's my room. I told you. Nobody should see that. Okay, well, let's go downstairs. And here's my dad. Oh, by the way, guys, check out his channel. He does cool stuff. Subscribe to his channel and like and comment. Hi. Say hi. Meow. 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 Yeah. I think she's thinking, what the heck is happening? Nobody has a dark side. I'm not sure about my cat. Guys, I'm a floating head. You guys are please. Well, pretty much when it was either Tuesday, I think. So we went to the beach. We got a boogie board for me. I was riding it. I loved it. And then I let my sister have a try. But when we were at the place, when I got the boogie board, my mom was like, "Hey, you want a boogie board?" She was like, "Nah." And then she was scared, that's why. So then I let her have a try. She tried it so many times. And then she was like, "Hey, can I get a boogie board? Please, please." And we were gonna get her a boogie board that day, but no. We're gonna get it tomorrow. So, I know I haven't taken you guys places with me, and I haven't done any unboxing videos, but I have an unboxing with me. Wait, right here. I'm not sure if it'll be a second hit for you, or it's gonna be something, okay? Uh-huh. So, I found this at the pharmacy. Let's get this in the spotlight. It's a no-off funko pop. Yeah. It was the only one that I have Ant-Man, but it's not my uncle's, at my grandpa's house. And man, yeah, I'm not sure if I'm gonna see that movie soon. Right there. Wait, another one. I got it at what is it called? Michael's. Yeah. They had Hulk and Thor, but I pretty much preferred Captain America. Okay. There. I pretty much chose Captain America because I thought it would be cool. I thought this would be cool because pretty much it's one of those pocket things like that you put on your backpack or your keychain. Yeah. Double Funko. If I had Ant-Man with me, it'd be triple. But double Funko. Okay, well, let's start off with this one. He's like, hey, I'm stuck from Red Skull. Okay? Since it's on school for me, I'll keep it like this. Here's a close-up for you. And that's the chain. Now, it's wobbly. But the thing that I figured out is that all the Funko Pops that are Marvel, they're bobbleheads. But this one, it's not. And like the Ant-Man one, I figured out it was a bobblehead. I can keep it on my desk. Okay, well, let's put this to the side. Here's another close-up. Dun 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 dun. Yeah. Okay, well, let's get on to the Olaf. Hey guys, do you want to build a snowman? Come on. It's not even snowing, man. It's literally not even snowing. Well, guys, I pretty much live in Los Angeles. Yeah. That's not. Well, my birthday's in December. Here. That was not unexpected. Okay, well, the little fella is fine. Let's get him in the shot. He's the star of the show. Well, he's not one of those ones that come with the stand. I bought my sister How to Train Your Dragon, the girl. Yeah. She was like, hey, I want the Olaf. I love Olaf. And I was like, hey, this was the only one. Okay? And So he doesn't have to stand because he can stand up by himself. His head rotates and then that's it. Yeah. Hey, you want to build snowman? Dude, it's not even snowing. So, yeah, I'm running away. No, I'm melting. Rest in peace, man. Rest in peace. Oh, a carrot. Well, that didn't matter. Oh, and I like Lamar Listen. Now let's try to. I think just because I don't have the PS4 yet, I can't do gaming stuff or show you. Yeah, I see. Okay. Well, there's stuff called. So, you guys should definitely get King of Thieves and Dude Perfect 2. Yeah. Just go on YouTube. If you guys see GTA. I totally like it. It's fun. Okay, let's see. Here you are. Clintus TV. Pretty awesome. Subscribe to. Skylander Boy and Girl. Hunter. See someone if anybody subscribed to me. Ah, wait. Oh, Team Mama has something to go. On the red carpet for the movie we're in. Our child's have to work on. Let's go at my videos. I only did 2 videos 1 week ago. Most of you guys liked the first video. That's pretty cool. Then 16 of you liked the... no, whatever. Well, guys, I guess this is going... Wait, look. To see something? Ah. Well, guys, we gotta end this. Why, mommy? Why? I know. Well, see you tomorrow, I guess. Well, bye.